In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete campaigns in MailChimp. If you want to clean up your account and remove a campaign you no longer need, MailChimp makes the process pretty straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To get started, open your MailChimp account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account if you manage more than one. This is important because deleting a campaign is something you'll want to do carefully, especially if you're working with active or previously sent content. After you're logged in, look for the Campaigns section in the main navigation area and click on it. This will take you to the page where all of your campaigns are listed. Here, you'll usually see different types of campaigns along with their current status, so it's a good idea to pause for a second and confirm that you've found the exact one you want to remove. Next, locate the specific campaign you want to delete. Once you find it, mark it by checking the box next to that campaign. Be careful at this stage, especially if your list contains multiple campaigns with similar names. Double-checking before you continue can help prevent deleting the wrong item. After selecting the campaign, go to the top of the page and click Delete. MailChimp may ask you to confirm your choice, so if a confirmation prompt appears, read it carefully and then proceed only if you're sure. This extra confirmation step is useful because it helps avoid accidental deletions. That's it. Once confirmed, the selected campaign will be removed from your list. A quick tip before you delete anything. If there's any chance you might need the campaign later for reference, reporting, or duplication, take a moment to review it first. Even though deleting is simple, it's always smart to be certain before removing marketing content from your account. So to recap, you open your MailChimp account, go to Campaigns, select the specific campaign by checking the box next to it, and then click Delete at the top. And that's how to delete campaigns in MailChimp. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.